So I think I'm live now. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is I'm not going to solve questions. I'm just revisiting the questions. Revisiting which questions that I have done. DBMS episode and to see which questions that are important. Okay, no, I have to see important questions which I marked. Where are this question? My favorites here. So the question of I think there are so many questions. Let me see just a question. Okay, this question from click to browse your favorite questions by category. Okay, let me see. Okay, remove from all list. This. Okay, there's any important favorites difficult to see later. This option. Things no and see that. Okay, just favorites. Okay, so students watching the course here. This is from discrete mathematics. Let me just visit it. Okay, this question is from DPP series and this student was on the students for the investment I should be number. Okay, fine, I got this, so answer is got it. Suppose let's go what is it in category? Where is my duster? Yeah, here it is. So today date is 22. So each question I'm going to solve. I'm just revisiting your question. Let me know. Okay, I have marked so many favorites now. Let us first for mock question. What is this question? Okay, this question. Okay, got it. So yeah, I just removed this question. Okay, this question is from digital logics. They are given some SOP expression. Now we have to convert it into POS. Okay, so here I remember means like POS is not equals to just complement of SOP. Okay, in this type of problems you have to do. Like if they give numbers like means what here they give function like it is min terms 0, 1, 2. Suppose it is of 3 variables and it should be 8 total 8 terms should be there. In this we can do, or in this we can just complement like this. We can say the max terms will be 3, 4, 5, 6 and then okay. This is okay. We are just doing complementing on the terms is not okay. Okay, so this is the main point. So what we have to look for is what they have present. Without that we have to look. Okay, suppose if we can consider x1, x2, x3 in this question, this is 7. Okay, so 7, so 7 should not present in any of the list. So if we consider that here this is 7, so option A is directly false. And where else? And okay, here in option B it is 7, okay, so it is false. In option D, C, no 7. Option D also no 7. Okay, option A, B are directly false. So what we have to do? We have to do what? Here it is 7 and here it is 0. So 0 also should not present. It means that x1 plus x2 plus x3 should not present. So if we consider that, C, D are satisfying. So then later, what this is 7, 0. So what's this? Means this is just 2, right? So 2 should not present. 2 should not present in the sense like here, if you see, yeah, here you can see here 2 is present. So option D is wrong. Option C will be the answer. I think yeah, option C is the answer. This option C will be the answer. So 0. So we can also write like these are the midterms. So we can do what 0, 7 like that, and after we can just complement it and we can just add. Okay, it's also a good section. And what next? So next is okay. Short of what next? Number integer promotion. I think this is weekly quiz question. I don't know whether I should display or not. Okay. I think let's cover weekly quiz questions. I think we 3 weekly quiz questions. I think so. Okay, just 2 normal PYQ series. Okay. From PYQ series. Okay. Where they are saying, okay, I think I did not do this question. What they are saying, they will do input multiplexers connected back to which input as shown in the figure. Okay, massive function equals to the circuit of the output. Okay, multiplexer. So what will be the multiplexer on should be? Here the expression of the multiplexer is q equals to 0 x dash. And it will be like what? It will be which latch they are asking. Half at on the multiplexer latch, I think. Okay, with q, right? Yes. Q expression is just S. So if we go in U again S, what it will become? I'm not sure about this question. It is latch, not a flip-flop. So where S, when if we calculate it, means what it will become? It will become S dash plus S. It will be 1. If you again components, what will be 1 S dash plus, okay, S dash plus S, it will come again 1. Okay, it will act like thing real latch. So not sure. Here input 0 is considered as I0 and 1 is considered as I1. Okay, output Q considered Y is Q mark. As we can see in the calculator, I0 equals to 1. And I0 is stored in the previous state of output Y. Now the basic function of D latch is, okay, when enable 0, the output state has same in previous state. Okay, so enable 0. Output state was same previous state, okay. We call it a memory state, or we can say formally qn equals to q plus 1. Q plus 1 equals to q. Then enable equals to output variable equals to input, okay. Finally here we make this settings as input as enables it, yes. Now we need to send matrix output. This one output one. The misconception is slash, okay. Oh my god. Problem I can claim here is the options are not correct because some people take DBMS enable input and separate creating. See, thank you for your tips and apologies. Okay, technically it is not correct statement. That latches doesn't have the clock, but flops must have a clock. Yeah. Please check the below figure from a digital design and computer architecture by Harris. Okay, here the D-latch is having clock. The D-latch is also have a clock. Okay, when latches have clock, can you clarify the why latch not flop? People forgot the raising or falling edges. Yeah. People forgot the raising or falling edges of the clock and say it as flip flop. Okay, flip and flop. Okay. You have implement the functionality of the clock edge. A flip flop can be two like this and XOR gate. So if you want to make it a flip flop from the current circuit, you have 2 copies of your biscuit. So I have this will back to the clock here. Okay, this is what I need. So now put is 0, y equals 0. So similarly with the y equals 0. Here it is D-latch. Okay, option B is correct. Is there no use of connection between identity? Yes, if it is, yes, if sequence is correct. Override all this. Is there any explanation to this type of question? Can I do just copy it? I don't know whether it is coming or okay, we'll search on it. Get some answer. Since it is not a clock, what it is getting? It is 0. I know. Best as S. Okay. So yes, okay. This is a question. Okay, this is what type of thing. So any question? Okay, this first question is GATE CSE digital logic. Just copy and go to YouTube and paste it here. Okay, part 1 is explanation. Oh, okay, sir. Thank you. I have to watch this. Okay, me market is okay, and okay, he's here to write and pivot questions equal to okay, Fine. That now it is okay. I'm going to go further. See what the hacking thing is. Delete just option correct version. The output equation is 2 in 1 multiplexer. So I okay, got it. So no put s equals 0, y equals 1. Okay. Similarly, put s equals 1, y equals 2. Here it is a delete circuit. Okay, so it was later. Okay, I think it's very interesting. It was my original. So there is quiz. Okay. I think we are conducting quizzes on this. We'll discuss it. Okay, I don't get it interactive. Okay, I think I need to visit the question again. Like where I have to write it here. 23. Get this here. Okay. So what next? This only PYQs. Yeah, we have to not favorites. Okay, I think wrong attempt. Exam sticking. What's this? It is weekly exams. I think these are paid and so hope it's PYQ series. PYQ series from here on. PYQ series here. CSE PYQ series. Programming and test and step. Okay. So there are total 50 questions in this. So let me just see what they also taken on the 6th. Okay. So yeah. So can I write it again? Yeah, I can write it again. So I think so. Mentorate is not enough. Oh my god, it's taking so much of time. About 10 marks. So let's just write it. How much did I remember this? So okay, the poster is not infix. Okay, then infix postfix. Fix. Okay, infix in the sense just not from the question just. Infix A plus B. Postfix, it's like AB plus it is postfix. That's all. So what can I check the option? Not when I'm going to click a window it. A plus B star C plus D. I think if I do like this I can waste my time so much. So if this is true, first we have to do bracket becomes CD plus. Okay. So Yeah, I think CG plus only in option B. Say same things will be false. So okay, let me do some to go right. So what we have to do, just be into like this. We into will become what? To go like this, it will become B C D plus star. Okay, B C D plus star. Option will be the correct answer. I don't need to check. Okay. What next? Okay, this question we have to say. Then over the question, I just need to fork it out. Okay. Contains one to break. Stack to the function of the add discussion at the end and what this. Okay. So same for sequence operation performed instead of the sequence of value popped out. Okay, they're asking the sequence operation popped out. Okay, for first one they say one stack they're pushing into 10, 20 and pop first 20. The option C is gone. After we push 10. Push 10. Okay. After push 20. Okay. That is pop. 20, 10, 10. Okay. So 20, 10, 10. Okay. 20, 10, 10. What? 20, 20, 10 and 10, right? Okay, option B will be the answer. If I made any silly mistake here, then I will be gone. Right. My option B is the answer. So, what next? So, what is the get function? So, this is very trickiest question. Let's see. Function defines a stack of transferring of 0 to max 1. So I can teach us. So here there is okay, let me do this question later. Just not and okay, this question is taking position dot stack population and what they're saying. They're saying to calculate this expression. Pushy is plus pop and then have to perform operation. Okay, so that's just saying evaluate the expression. Okay, we can easily do. So if we just consider 5 and 2, what is there? 10 3 okay, first have to these two operations. 3 plus 2 become 5. Okay, 5 become 3 plus 2 become 5. So we are in this 5 into 3 into 15 plus is the what is the answer? If we do okay 5 again 5 so that's 10 okay 10 8 5 15 1 understand 25 and the answer. What next? So we evaluate this expression. The same as 10 plus 5. Okay, it will become 15. So I think they both the same way. So 15 and 16 by 6. What is this? It will become what? It will become 10. Then into means 150 minus 8. So it will become 142. Okay, so next question will do this later. So I think suppose I have instruction reverse, which reverses the order of elements on the stack in addition to push pop instruction. So the following element is true with respect to the modified stack. Okay, suppose the stack instruction reverse, okay, which reverses order of elements on the stack in addition to push and pop. They're just adding one more instruction called reverse push. Enqueue can be implemented using enqueue takes an instruction and dequeue takes. Enqueue can be implemented where enqueue takes 3 instructions and dequeue takes. I think it will be true. And so what are the sequences are popped out? The sequence of operation push. Okay, popped out. Okay, output from the stack. Okay, interesting. Popped out sequence they ask. Okay, here we are pushing and pushing to. Okay, 1 2 is there. 2 and push. Okay.
You must know the first point.
Sir. 2 and then after push down, so then we are pushing 2 and 3 pops through like 2 to 1 1. So 2 to 1 and 2 to 1, so double to double 1. And I think option A and B. So what's the last option that performed 2 and push? Okay, option B answer. This question will solve. I did get blender. This question is very simple but quite tricky also. We are saying the consulting stack and queue. Okay, so what they are saying, they're just pushing into the stack 54 and 52 and pop off. Okay, after popping, CS empty, C element is gone, 2 is there, and then after pushing 54 and push 62. So since this is not catching anywhere, so they're saying again x equals to pop off. So this constant pop, it will become 62. Stop. If we're not trying, it will be correct, but quite confusing this question, I think so. So just pushing the this one is true. This is a compression of what we're doing. Okay, here's 21, here is 21, 24. DQ, okay, DQ, here what we have DQ, 21 is gone. So what next? NQ, so 24 and 28 and 32 is here. So DQ, so DQ, it will be 24. Okay, 62 plus 24, what will become 686. Not trying to do the answer, but DQ, Q equals DQ, so it will call 21 is 1, 24 is here. So DQ 24. The top of the stack here is 62, 62 will be Let's say take 86. I think 86 if I did not fall onto any trap. For later time, I'm not sure. Okay. So after applying the following operations to an empty stack. Okay. What is the content of stack? So what that was push 35. Okay. Stack you have to push 35. Okay. Push 35. Push 36. 36. Push 43. Push 8. Pop. Push 51. Pop. That 556. So following information can be the output the same order. Using stack input sequence can be okay. So we want to obtain this kind of permutations. Like I think there is a tick. 5. So 3 if it's a 3 4 5 not 3 4 5 want to get 3 but insert 1 2 3 but insert 1 2 so 3 and then 4. I think A is option A is wrong and what is this 3 4 5 is okay after into 3 4 2 only. I think B is correct. So the best data to check whether the other one is present, but yeah, is uploaded stack. Check what are these questions left. I'm not sure. Oh. Let's stack it down. the empty stack. Okay, empty stack. So push in natural numbers and sequence. So to perform and pop, okay, and natural numbers and then pop operation, and we'll get the position of okay, it take x seconds. Okay, position top takes x seconds, and by second last between the end of the operation. Okay, stack perform. Stack left. Okay, they are asking stack lifetime. Okay, they are asking stack lifetime at this time for the push up. To store the operation, that removes the problem. The average. Okay, they're asking the average. The average of an element. Okay, the average stack length of an element in the stack is okay. So what? Suppose we push n natural. Okay. There's a stack. There's a stack operation and perform an operation. Assume that n push operation and operation take x. Okay. Push and pop. Okay, each takes n seconds. Okay, each takes x seconds. And 5 seconds elapsed between the end of one such operation. Again, like one push and one after one push and one pop, it takes 5 seconds. Okay. So once I step out the start of the next operation. Okay, fine. So what next? So for the m greater than or equals to 1. What's m here? Okay, here anything on define for m greater than or equals to 1, define the stack for the m. Okay, like the stack as m and option end of push of m and start of pop operation that removes m from s. There are two operations. First push and pop. Okay, push and pop. It takes x seconds. It will take x seconds. So the system took y seconds. So if we calculate this operation, if this wants to continue, like 2x plus y. So 2x plus y takes. So how much time it need to take? So what next? So what is saying? The average since we have to divide, we have to at least get 2 or 3. So we just do this. If we push again 1, it will just x. Okay, 2x, and again from this like one more 1, 3x. So again by 3x plus 2y plus again y. So push by this 4x plus 2 is 3y. Okay, think so. Okay, each option takes a different. So for the considering I think I have to follow up these 3 questions. Okay, I just know this question. Just do this fourth question. Okay, function defines stack satisfied for f of 0 equals 0. Okay, what is f of 5? Okay, f of 5 there is no set on 0. And f of push f by equals to max of max plus I. For the stack operation as the integer I, if the stack contains integer 2, 3, 4 in the order from the bottom to top. Okay, bottom to top. Whatever. So for this I am asking is 2 minus 3, 2 minus 1, 2. So what is the value? What is f of s? Okay, s. So if they consider starter. Okay, f of s, what is s? Okay, like here items we are just they're going to increase. So first we have to do 2. So what we have to do? We have to do first we have to do 2. First push 2. Stuck. Okay, so what is this? So I have done this. What's the second question? What is consider the C program code. So what is the value of printed by the above programmers? So okay, is pointer and okay, in the code value static I. Okay, size top switch up code paper code they consider up code condition. So what this will get on. So EF 20 okay, BF 20 equals to the top of the function. Okay, -1 come 10. Okay, what to put on -1 come 10. So this -1 come okay. Okay, value is 10. Okay, -10. Oh, I left 2 minutes now. So it will fast as responsible. So what is this? What is value? So first we have to function with -1 comes 10. What is this? Here what is up code? This is value. Okay. So what is it? Up code switch up code. Okay. What is the code? -1. So -1 is what? Size equals to value. So this is okay. Here size is static. So size is fixed. So size what is size? Size equals to value means 10. Okay, fine. So so okay, a break is there. So we exit the root. So what next? So we go and what next? And yeah, so any increment operation? No, there's no increment operation. There's nothing. So what's 0,5? 0,5. So what is 0? Up code 0. What's up code 0? Code 0. Up code 0. If sky okay stack top size greater than size. What is size? Where is size? Okay, size greater than skate top. Here skate top is -1. So we here from 0. Yes, it is true. If it is true, like A of sky what is stack top increment stack top. Okay, no, that assigning value to stack top. What's the value here? Here value equals to size, right? So here 10. We have to literally F10. So it will be F10. 10. Okay, F what? Okay, they have to just okay increment no 1 and to be 10. So what is next? Break. So here it is 10. It is 1. So what next? So what's there? 0,10. If it is 10, so what will be the answer? And 0 is there. So 0 is just one increment and you have to just add up the value. So what's the value? Is what? Oh, here what's the value? Here's okay. Here. Okay, value is okay. Here value is 5. Here we have 2 will be 10. So what they're saying 1, 2, 1, 10, 1, 0. This 1, 0, 1, 0. So it's going to the function we get a full 1. So one is default if stack top is not 0, so it will return stack top. So what it returns 10. Okay, 10 and then what 10 plus 1. So again 1 0. So what is the 1 output? It has 0. So 0 returns. Okay, so it returns got it. I think option is 50. Let me check it. Oh, I don't know if I'm getting right or not. Just submit test. I think it is still working. Is it okay? Okay, I think it's DBMS. 8% correct, one wrong. What is the wrong question? Sure, man. This question. Where is this question? Yeah, 15. I got it. What I have to do within time? Got it. Bro, this question. Fine. So, which one time to check? These 3 questions. Okay, I got 1 question wrong and 2 questions skipped, and 1 question is correct. Okay, I have to manage the time, and then skip question is 1, wrong question is 1. So I have to work on just 2 questions. Okay, getting 4, I think. So I think I have to work on these 2 questions. So okay, let me work on it right away. So this question is this question I have done. So this question I need to work. So how many minutes I did to consume on this question? I took almost 5 minutes I took. So it's okay. I just marked it. And see, 225 questions. So John Day. Okay, today my intent is to so what around okay, but it is second time, right? Okay, anyways, so this question if function defined in stack. Okay, so how to approach this type of question? Let me just see questions here. So I have considered for 5 push yes what's I here? What's I for all stack s and integers here? Okay, they're considering integers. What is yes then? So let me read the comments which they have given. I think the question needs some correction is highlighted in the answer. Okay. Okay. So the question should have been more specific than the talk about function implementation. Initially, function fs value 0 when the function starts computing errors. denotes current value stores in if I is the integer value of stack is when they push it into stack. Okay, true to okay. And the question is some correction is highlighted in this 330 so who is Sridharchi? Who is Sridhar Pro? Oh, this God try just open this, but there is all comments. I think maybe this can I access these comments when I can't access. So the key point is that f of s means top of the stack. Okay. After checking the solutions for your solution, I have came to conclusion that we have to take previous for value and that will be top of the stack. So what they're saying top of the stack. So one topic is also said this function max plus 2. Solution and after the solution like over to so okay, let me just okay, it's so what there's I element should be pushed. Okay, initial state of file equals 0 for empty stack of s equals okay. No. For empty stack should be -1, right? Okay. I mean, they have given their own. I mean, they have defined their own stack. I think it's not visible to you. I think it is perfectly outed, right? I think. Don't know. Let's compromise. Yeah, everything is okay. So what is this question? Able to reduce the cost okay. So what is f of new? Then we push each element one by one to calculate this. Okay, for each insertion as given of new x equals to max previous. Okay, so is the function to compare this for each insertion. Insertion 2 on stack percentage. So previously it is 0. Insertion 2 is inserting element I. What is I? Okay, I is the element. Okay, and it's S here. Previous f of x. Okay. Similarly, I think the setting numbers in the stack is 3. So option C is correct. So what did he get? He get option B. Okay. So I think this question is because after reading this question, two thoughts come to mind. First one is stack is empty, and using the given function, we need to push into stack. Second thought was stack is already filled, and we need to modify according to the function. So help me in this question and explain the routine. Stack is already filled, and ask the value of x. Okay, stack is already filled. So, but how would you know that f of s at that time? At that time, for that we are starting from 0 elements and calculating after each insertion. After reaching the configuration of the stack and mentioned, now we can answer the f of s value state. Okay. Okay, got it. So initially stack was count. Okay, I think I need to stop this stream. I have some work to do. Like if possible, like I don't have enough internet. Like if possible, I will stream later. Have a nice day.